kindergarten. We are ready for math. We are comparing numbers by counting sets to 10. All right, so in your math, or in your packet, you should have the math page. It's got 4.6 at the top. You see some rain boots. I think these are some binoculars. The directions say, look at the sets of objects, count how many are in each set, trace the number. All right, so they've done these first ones for us, so that makes it super easy. How many boots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They wrote a 6. We just need to trace it. How many binoculars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We just need to trace it. Make sure you're using a pencil. All right, then they want you to compare the numbers. So which number is greater, 6 or 8? 8 is greater. Which number is less? 6 is less or is smaller. All right, so on this page by the red apple, we're going to count the hats and write the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are like paint cans. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and I want you to circle the number that is greater. So is 8 greater or is 10 greater? Yes, 10 is greater or is more. All right, you need to do the same thing by the yellow sun and by the green leaf. So you're going to count these and write the number. Count these and write the number. Circle the number that is greater. By the green leaf. Count these and write the number. Count the baseballs and write the number. Circle the number that is greater. I'm letting you do these because I want to check your work when you bring it back. All right, when you're finished with that page, pick it up and we just flip it over. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to be counting and finding the one that is less. Less means smaller. So these look like guitars, so we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to count the drums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, this time we are circling the number that is less. So is 8 less or is 7 less? Yes, 7. 7 is less or 7 is smaller. All right, you're going to do the same thing by the butterfly and by the acorn. Count the trucks and write the number. Count the cars and write the number. Circle the one that is less. And by the acorn, count the thermos and write the number. Count the lunchbox and write the number. Circle the number that is less or that is smaller. When you're finished with that page, we're going to turn to the back. All right, by the red apple, count how many are in each set. Write the number. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, are they the same? Let me see. Check again. All right, boys and girls, there's 8 in each set. What does that mean? That means they are the same, or the math word for that would be equal. They're equal. They're exactly the same. Then they want you to draw 2 sets where something is the same. So over here you might draw 5 X's, and over here you might draw 5 circles, or over here you might draw 4 flowers, and over here you might draw 4 sunshines. And it's up to you, but draw 2 sets that are the same or that are equal. I think I'm going to do squares. 1, 2, 3, and then I might do circles. 1, 2, 3. You can pick any number you want, but they both have to be the same or equal. All right, great job, boys and girls. I will see you soon.